We have Cotty on the box. We're gonna open this box. Cotty gets a cookie. Let's give Cotty a cookie. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put Cotty on the ground. This is a big box. So we have a box here. I don't know if you can hear it. I hope it's all together. But this is who it's from. The Creation Corner. Went UPS SurePost. So this is the way it arrived. So let's just get on with the program here. Oop. Well, she wants to. I just hope it's in one piece. We have a box inside of a box, which is a good sign. We have that amount of padding. Okay. Kind of scary. Here we have a little bit more padding. Let's open this up. Ooh, we have garbage. Please do not bend. There's no clue what's inside there. Let's see what's inside of it. It says, please do not bend. Let's see what's inside here. Is it just junk? Dark Souls, the board game. I have no clue. Was that meant for somebody else? Got no idea. So, that box is empty. Okay. I think that's a pretty good size BPM box. Let's open it and see what we got. I don't like rattles, but okay. This is what we have. We have a CD. Special posts must be installed when using the automated system. Hopefully that was what was the rattle, was the disc. Awesome. Okay. This is what's inside here. Ooh, we got some stuff floating around in there. This is a BP Microsystems. Let's take this right here. Okay, we've got little vacuum things for removing chips. We have a USB cable. We have that. We have a cord. That's all that's in that box. That's it. Okay. Well, let's put this. Let's go forward. This is a BP Microsystems 1710. (2012) manufacture date. But these things are expensive normally, but Let's plug it in. See if it powers. This was a gamble. Another one of those gambles. Let me show you what next to a silicon sculptor. Next to a silicon sculptor. So this is basically a disabled or hobbled 1410. If anybody's got the firmware for a 1410, I'd like to load that with it and give it a try. But okay, back to the mission. Let's plug in this 1710. Okay, let's see if she powers. Sure. Ooh, we power up. Pass a self-check. Let me light the software up. I already have the software installed because it's for the silicon sculptor. Let's see if it detects it. Okay. Alt print screen. Serial number 39686. Let's see if that's it. It's different. Maybe it's different somewhere else. So. Okay, detects it as a 1710. Tools. Programmer diagnostics. Okay, let me pull the socket off. We will do a test. I need to get this single. Performing timing test. There's a chip in the socket. I would have to remove it now. No voltmeter calibration. I think it passed the test. Cool. I think this will be a winner. Maybe. I'll have to register it and see what they say. So, but Cotty wants a cookie. Cotty always gets a cookie. Here. Cotty gets cookies. So, we'll catch y'all later.